All right, let's go for another run. So this time I just want to do 3 miles. I'm going to go a little bit different direction down a country road, and it's cold out today. 36 degrees right now. I'm probably overdressed, but all right, so about half a mile in, and yeah, I overdressed. Got to get used to this winter stuff or fall stuff. If you've been running for a while, you know what I'm talking about, trying to figure out how to go from warm weather to the cold weather. Good doggo. There's some deers right there. Kind of still. Love that barn over there. I think just about every runner loves to see old barns. Okay, so I'm halfway. I'm at 8:37 pace average. If you're in this area, Springfield area, and you go to Two Rivers and you like to run, on December 12th, I am going to do a 15K out at Two Rivers. It's just kind of like something I want to do, something I want to set my goals for. I'll be out there at 8 a.m. So if you're in the Springfield area and you run and you happen to subscribe to the channel, or you just watch this video, hit me up. Message me on Instagram, Facebook, my website, this video. Let me know if you want to go out there with me. But yeah, December 12th, 8 a.m. at Two Rivers. If anything changes, I'll let you guys know. But hit me up if you want to join me on that. I'll have some route, I'll post it, and that way everybody knows where they're going. So 1 more mile to go. Let's go. Those deers are still there. They're just not moving. I don't know what their deal is. Woo! Done. 3 miles. 8:51 pace. These cold days, I'm always like, do I want to get out and run? Do I really want to do this? It's so cold out. But once you get warmed up, so worth it. So worth it. So if you're sitting at home and you're like, oh, it's too cold to get out, it's dreary, that might be just what you need. You know, these rainy, dark, cold days, man, they can be rough on you mentally. And getting out, getting your blood pumping, even if you're walking, running, riding a bike, skipping, hopping, man, it's so good to get out. So get out there and do it. You guys know what to do. Subscribe, like this video, comment below. Let me know what you ran today. Let me know what you ran this week. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.